There are many kinds of love in this world, but the purest, the strongest, and the most selfless love is the love of a mother. Tonight, I will share with you a powerful story, a story that will touch your heart and remind you never to forget the one who gave you everything. This is the mother's love. A young man lived with his mother. She cooked his food, she cleaned his house, she took care of him every day. One day, the young man got married. His wife came to live with him and his mother in the same house. One evening, the man came home late from work. "Wife," he said, "I am tired. Bring me some water." But his wife said nothing. The man called again. "Wife, I am hungry. Where is my dinner?" Still, his wife did not reply. The man was angry. "Why don't you answer me?" he asked. "What's wrong?" His wife started crying. "It's your mother," she said. "She hates me. She fights with me all the time. She calls me lazy and stupid." The man looked at his wife. She was young and beautiful. He loved her very much. "Please," he said softly, "try to live peacefully with her. She is old. She won't be here forever." But his wife shouted, "No, you must choose, either me or your mother, not both." That night the man lay awake. He thought and thought. "My mother gave me everything when I was small," he said to himself. "But my wife, she is young. I love her. I can't lose her." In the morning, his wife asked, "Well, have you made your choice?" The man whispered, "Yes, I choose you." His wife smiled and said, "Then push your mother off the hill. She is old. She will die soon anyway. But I am young. We can live happily together." The man was shocked, but at last he agreed. That day, he told his mother, "Mother, we are going on a journey. I will take you up the hill. You will like it there." The mother smiled and said, "But I am old, my son. I cannot climb." "Don't worry," the man said. So he carried her on his back. They climbed the hill together. At first, his mother was happy, but then she spoke softly. "My son, I know why we are going to the hill. I understand everything. But please, be careful. When you push me, don't fall yourself. Hold on to the tree branch so you stay safe." The man stopped. He looked at her in shock. "You know what I'm going to do, and you are still worried about me?" She gave him a sad smile. "My dear son, only a mother loves like this. One day, you will have a child, and then you will understand." The man sat down and cried. He thought, "Does my wife love me like this? No, she only cares about herself. But my mother, even now, thinks only of me." So he stood up. He carried his mother back down the hill. When they reached home, he sent his wife away. From that day on, he lived peacefully with his mother for many years, because a mother's love is the purest love in the world.